Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have u plus v equals to 3 and uv equals to 6. So we denote this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. We solve these two equations and we get the values of u and v. So the very first thing we are going to do is our equation number 1 is implies that here we move the term u from left hand side to the right hand side and we get v equals u, and we call that this is our equation number 3. So we use equation number 3 into equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that when we put this value here, it will becomes u times of 3 minus u is equals to 6. And here we multiply u on both of these two terms and we get 3 times of u minus u square is equals to 6. Then we move both of these two values to the right hand side and we get u square minus 3u plus 6 is equals to 0. So this will becomes a quadratic equation in u variable, and here we use the nice quadratic formula to solve this equation. For this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 6. And we state the quadratic formula as u equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c, and we get here the values of u. So we have u equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 3. This will becomes minus times minus becomes plus 3, and plus minus square root of this is b square, b is minus 3 square becomes 9, and we have 4 times of a is 1 and c is 6, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Further, in the next step we have this is 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4 becomes 24, and it is divided by 2. Finally we have this is 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 24 becomes minus 15, and it is divided by 2. And you very well know about that when negative sign appear inside the square root, it will becomes iota, and we get 3 plus minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. So here we have these are the two values of u, and now in the same pattern we get the corresponding values of v. For this we first need to copy down equation number 3 here, and equation number 3 is implies that v equals to 3 minus u, and here we use both of these two values here and we get the corresponding values of v. So here we choose the positive value of u, it is 3 plus square root of 15 iota divided by 2, and here we choose the negative value, it is u equals to 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. So we put both of these two values to the equation number 3, and our above equation is implies that this is v equals to 3 minus u, the value of u is 3 plus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. So we take the LCM of this term and its LCM becomes 2, and we get here 6 minus 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and finally we get here the value of v is 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of v, and we have the corresponding value of u is this one. So in the same pattern we use this value of u here, and we obtain v equals to 3 minus u, the value of u is 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. Further, in the next step we need to take the LCM of this term, and it is 2. So we have 2 times 3 becomes 6, and we multiply negative sign on each of these values, and we get minus 3 plus square root of 15 iota, and we get v equals to 3 plus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. This is the value of u, v corresponding to the value of u is this one. So finally we have there are two roots of the solution set. So these pairs of roots are 3 plus square root of 15 iota divided by 2, and 3 minus square root of 15 iota divided by 2. This is the first pair of root, and the second pair is 3 minus square root of 15 iota divided by 2, and 3 plus square root of 15 iota divided by 2. So these are the two roots, but now in the next steps we need to verify that is these two roots with the solution or extraneous root. So for this we need to verify both of these two roots, but here I can just verify the first root and I can left the second verification of root by yourself. So for this we need to copy down given equations. Here there are two equations. These are u plus v equals to 3 and uv equals to 6. So we verify the first root, and value of and the value of v is 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. So here when we use these values of u and v into above equation, so this will be written as in this form. So we have the first equation is written as 3 plus square root of 15 iota divided by 2 plus 3 minus square root of 15 iota divided by 2, and this is equals to 3 or not. This is the our claim. So we need to take the LCM of this time, and its LCM becomes 2, and we get here 3 plus square root of 15 iota plus 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and this is equals to 3 or not. So this term and this term are gone, and we get 3 plus 3 becomes 6 divided by 2 equals to 3, and we have 2 times 3 becomes 6, and we get here 3 is equals to 3. So both of these two values of u and v satisfied our first equation, and in the same pattern we verify the second equation. So we put both of these two values here, and it will becomes 3 plus square root of 15 iota divided by 2, and this is multiplied by 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2, and we check that is this product equals to 6 or not. So here we use the nice algebraic formula, and it will be written as 3 square minus square root of 15 iota and its whole square divided by 2 times 2 becomes 4 is equals to 6. We have 3 square becomes 9 minus this 2 and square root are gone, and we get 15, and this iota square becomes minus 1, and this minus becomes plus, and it is divided by 4, and this is equals to 6. So we have 15 plus 9 becomes 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6, and this is 4 times 6 becomes 24, and this implies that 6 is equals to 6. This shows that again both of the sides are equal. It means that the above values of u and v is satisfied both of these two equations. So this means that this is the first solution of the given equation, and in the same pattern you easily verify the second root of the given equation. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.